Dear listeners, good morning and welcome to Comme d'Archi, the podcast that opens the doors to the fascinating world of architecture. For newcomers, let me introduce myself. I'm the spokesperson of Anne-Charlotte Despont, PhD in History of Architecture, published author, head of a communication and development agency based in Paris, France, dedicated to architecture. Let's meet every week to discuss culture and architecture with specialists and learn how to look at projects through a context and diversity lens. Thank you for being with me today, and now it's time for talent.
Bienvenue dans Comme d'Archi.
Hi everybody, hi Michael Malapert.
Hi.
Thank you for being here today. You are interior designer. In 2-3 sentences, could you describe your office?
Hi, Anne-Charlotte. Hi, everybody. Yes, I am a Parisian interior designer. I started to work with a famous Philippe Starck. A few years ago, I decided to continue by myself. Today, in my agency Maison Malapert, I manage a team of 10 persons. My specialty is the design of hotels and the new spaces for the gastronomy catering trades. I recently designed the interior design of Station F, a new manor to work to.
Now you will talk to us about a new project of Maison Malapert.
Today I would like to speak about my new project in Bordeaux. It is the Renaissance Marriott Hotel. The opening will be held in few weeks, normally at the end of this month. The project takes place in the former Docklands district of Bordeaux. This area is currently undergoing major redevelopment, thanks in particular to the Cité du Vin, but has retained its identity in buildings of industrial inspiration. COSAT design for the hotel architecture is in line with this approach, proposing a structured facade with large windows. The Maison Malapert agency, which designed all the interiors of this hotel complex, played with this raw and industrial identity, but contrasted and enriched it by drawing on the French and local lifestyle, one cellar, libraries, large lounges, intermingled indoor-outdoor spaces. The wall is reinforced by the interventions of artists and the refinement of the fittings designed especially for the premises. We find a strong presence of concrete in the interiors, but it is put in relation with works of art, with natural materials, paper, rope, wood, or plants, or with refined materials like terrazzo, velvet, marbles, and brass. The materials interact and respond to each other, giving the hotel an identity that combines the arty, the natural, and the contemporary. The spaces have been designed to provide a complete experience for guests. Not just a hotel, this place of life has been designed to welcome the people of Bordeaux to eat, meet, work, and play in a variety of spaces. One enters through 2 old grain silos that have been renovated and preserved. The theatricality of these 30 meters high concrete cylinders creates a unique arrival for a hotel. The lobby is a large glassed-in lounge overlooking a Landais garden in the center of the block. A bar coffee shop welcomed guests. Comfortable seating and library and the indoor-outdoor atmosphere make it a place for residents and visitors alike. In the extension, the seminars rooms, which can be privatized, are designed as lounges. The rooms, always designed by Maison Malapert, keep parts of the building structure visible. The wood of the furniture, the velvet of the curtains, and the shimmering brass of the light fittings warm up and give life to the raw concrete. A gold motif on the ceiling reflects the names of the Bordeaux wines. The view from the large windows is enhanced by a banquet frame that invites you to sit down and enjoy the view. Works of art created especially for the hotel are displayed in each room, giving it a unique identity. On the 9th floor of the building, a rooftop hosts a restaurant, a bar, and a swimming pool with a view over the whole of Bordeaux. The restaurant offers an Italian-inspired menu in a space completely open to the city. In the center, a large terrazzo bar is theatricalized by a luminous graphic paper sculpture. At the back, a large glassed-in wine cellar takes place in a private lounge. At the front, a spacious terrace is protected by an awning and offers a clear view on the city. The refined furniture plays a prolongation inside-outside for a maximum sensation of openness. The cocktail bar is inspired by the cabins of the Bassin d'Arcachon with its wooden cladding and the rope lights. The furniture mixes natural materials and graphic fabrics. It also offers a clear view and a suspended terrace. A swimming pool on the rooftop of the hotel completes the unique experience offered by the Renaissance Bordeaux Hotel.
Attractive, interesting. Thank you, Michael Malapert. We are looking forward to discovering this new hotel in Bordeaux. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Bye-bye, everybody, and see you next Wednesday for our new Comme d'Archi in English. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to tune in to our previous content on Instagram at Comme d'Archi Podcast. If you like it, make sure to promote the podcast by giving it 5 stars on Apple Podcast and adding a comment, or on any of your favorite podcast platforms. And don't forget to subscribe and listen to all of our episodes for free. See you soon, and until then, take care of yourself.